Good morning, beautiful souls. Welcome to our weekly pick a card reading. This week is from 14th December to the 20th of December. You can choose from all the four options. Think of how you want your week to be. Wait or pause for a minute, connect to yourself, and see which card resonates with you. Or probably what is your calling, which card is calling out to you. And choose your card accordingly. And here we go with your reading. For those who chose card number 1, here your reading goes. The punchline of this card says, loves to be loved but hates to be possessed. It's time for a change. Perhaps you need to be more adventurous and less conservative. If you have gotten in a hole, this card recommends shaking things up a little bit. In matters related to money, this card advises you to let go of an investment, property, business, or other financial matter and move on to something else. A better opportunity may be on the horizon. Be daring. Fear of risk and change may be limiting your prosperity. In matters related to love, this card reveals a lack of commitment or consistency. You and your partner may desire freedom and shun responsibility. A love affair may be fun and exciting, but do not expect it to last. If a relationship is stagnant, it's time to move on. In matters related to work, a job change, relocation, or shift in responsibilities is likely. Business trips may happen in the near future. You might not be using your talents fully, and that you need to be more creative, assertive, and unconventional. Thank you. For those who chose card number 2, Eight of Pentacles. You may have to spend money to make money. This card advises you to give it your all and go to whatever lengths are necessary to achieve your financial goals. A financial venture could require effort and focus. The Eight of Pentacles that you may need more expertise before you can profit. This card often implies a time of great diligence and focus. It advises you to hammer away at the business of the moment, a work project, family difficulty, personal goal, or unpleasant duty. Sometimes blessings fall into our laps to be enjoyed. Other times we must put a great effort to obtain them. The Eight of Pentacles represents moments when you must give 110%. Just buckle down and do it. Fortunately, the kind of work is invigorating and leads to superb results. The labor of Eight of Pentacles is deeply satisfying and productive. Dedicate yourself to making your relationship work. If you want love in your life, you have to be more loving. View this period as an opportunity for learning and growth. Like any other event, a relationship requires work and will benefit from sincere efforts. Apply yourself diligently and perfect your abilities. For those who chose card number 3, Major Arcana, Integration. Moderation is in order. Avoid extremes and balance spending with saving money. Take care of outstanding debts. Heal old wounds and establish harmony in a relationship. Avoid ego battles and power struggles and allow love to unfold in a gradual and peaceful manner. If you moderate your indulgences, whether physical, emotional, or spiritual, you will find balance. Balance work and play so that your love life becomes well rounded. Try to be more forgiving, kind, and fair with others and yourself. Moderate your desires and see both the sides of an argument. Distribute responsibility equally in your workplace. There will be soon clarity, harmony, and mutual respect and healing energy for any existing emotional wounds. For those who chose card number 4, Totality, your card. The Five of Wands reveals that there is a struggle of some kind. yet it is hard to know who is going to come out to be the winner. Perhaps you feel you have to pick a fight, perhaps mentally within yourself, or else challenge someone out in the external world. Sometimes you might feel as if the world is going against you right now. The Five of Wands reveals that there is a struggle of some kind, yet it is hard to know who is going to come out to be the winner. In matters related to money, disputes arise over resources, property, ideas, rights, or territory. Confusions or disagreements may exist how to make use, invest, or spend money. Be practical. Losses may result if you do not pay attention to what is going on around you. Do not seek financial advice from others or begin a legal matter involving money or property at this time. In matters related to love, small matters may cause squabbles between you and a partner. Ego battles may flare up, resulting in nothing. You need to be more flexible and cooperative. In matters related to work, arguments, confusion, and disarray disrupt your work environment and career path. Ego and stubbornness interfere with progress. Put aside ego issues and stubbornness, which are stopping you from moving ahead. You need to be more practical this week, and things will fall into place. I hope you enjoyed your readings. Thank you.